All right, you guys, this is Sheila. I'm gonna make MEATBALLS Smackalicious sauce. There's the ingredients. And I'm also going to make the best meatballs. And here's your ingredients. All this on PromoSTK, Sheila's Creations way. Now the MEATBALLS Smackalicious sauce is gonna be made Sheila's way because I did some little different things because she's always changed up her ingredients. So I vamped it a little bit and added some of mine. So like, comment, and subscribe to Sheila's Creations way. PromoSTK. You'll be seeing us eating this on PromoSTK, Eating Good in the Neighborhood. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Sheila with PromoSTK, Eating Good in the Neighborhood, and PromoSTK, Sheila's Creations way. And I'm going to be making some meatballs. Woo-hoo! Some good old meatballs with some, my husband's gonna have some sub hoagie rolls. I'm gonna have my cheese bread, and we're gonna do the balls now. So if you guys wanna check it out, see what I do. All right, so I got about maybe 3 pounds of ground beef right here, you guys. 3 pounds of ground beef. Just gonna squish it a little bit. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs in it. 1 egg. 2 eggs. And like I say, I use that flour base as a staple to almost everything I do now. So I have some of my flour base, my seasoned flour. Remember that seasoned flour? I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of that in here. This is a whole wheat mixture with the seasonings in it. So I'm just gonna sprinkle, shake it up a little bit, sprinkle some of that in there. Yeah, that's about good. Maybe like a 1/4 cup of it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some more lemon pepper in it. And I'll put some powdered onion powder. This onion powder is a little more fuller than some of the other ones I've gotten, so I'll just pour that on there. And then some black pepper. We'll do the black pepper. Open this up a little bit. And then some Worcestershire sauce. Which is this. Do a couple of sprinkles in there. I really like that. And then some minced garlic. Sprinkle a little bit of this in there. There we go. Probably about a good old tablespoon. I like that good old garlic. Garlic's good for you. Can't go wrong with garlic. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix all this goodness up. Make sure that egg that we put in there gets in all the meat. Could have done it in a bowl, but I had this out, so just kind of mix this up real good. I already have my oven preheated to 350. So it should be ready for this to be popped in the oven. Okay. So once you get all that goodness mixed up, we're gonna just start forming our balls, y'all. Forming our balls. Could make a good old meatloaf too, but nope. We're gonna do the meatballs. So we'll get the little balls about so. Not that big, you guys. I'm gonna drop in my pan I have over here. This over here a little closer, y'all can see. So like a palm full, because this will shrink. Y'all know that. They'll be about half the size by the time it gets done cooking. Now, had it been some chuck, then it would have been a little more larger. But this is ground beef 73-27, I believe is the ratio. And it's also low to no carbs and high in protein, you guys. And that's what we're going for. So we're gonna make up these balls. See how many we make up. Sometimes I put them on a skillet and do it on the eye, but this time we're gonna put them in the oven. So they cook evenly in the oven. So I'm gonna continue forming my balls, y'all. That little southern drawl up in there, since I'm in Alabama. And then I'm gonna come back once I've got them all plated, ready to go in the oven. See you in a minute. All right, you guys, we have exactly 20 big size balls. Y'all see that? 20 balls. And we're gonna bake this on 350 for about maybe 30 minutes, 40, depending on how fast they get done. And then when they come out of the oven, you guys, it's gonna be ready for, I don't know if I'm gonna do a marinara sauce on them or a brown gravy sauce. I'm not sure, but you guys keep watching and we're gonna find out what bathed these babies up. These are PromoSTK, Sheila's Creations way, best meatballs, y'all. Woo woo. All right, you guys, these are the meatballs. They're finishing up in the oven. Not quite sure what kind of sauce I want to use, if I want to do a marinara sauce or if I want to do a brown gravy sauce. My husband's saying barbecue.
Hot barbecue.
Hot barbecue. I don't know. We'll see, you guys. Woo woo. We'll see. All right, you guys. So we decided to put our meatballs in our mussel and egg boil. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl Sheila with PromoSTK. That's PromoSTK, and I'm doing Sheila's Creations way. Now, you guys know about that good old Bloves Smackalicious sauce, and normally I do it to the T, but she changes it up so much, so I decided I'm gonna do my own little version off of what I've seen her do, in addition to some of my new twists and turns. So you'll see the beginning of this video and you'll see the ingredients that I use. So let me just show you. Sushi ginger. I'm gonna use the actual juice from my jalapeno. The actual juice, I'm gonna use all this juice that's left in here. Because for some reason my husband, he can't take the actual jalapeno. I'm gonna use my cayenne pepper, my red pepper flakes, the paprika for color, our black pepper, Worcestershire sauce, lemon pepper, onion powder, minced onions, garlic powder, taco seasoning, minced garlic, 2 sticks of pure butter, and last but not least, if y'all been watching me, y'all know when I did my chicken salad, I saved my broth. So guess what's going in this? It's the chicken broth from the canned chicken that I use, you guys, and it is frozen. Y'all can see the bottom is frozen. And I'm gonna put it in there too, and then everything simmer into goodness. I have it on like a medium-low heat. I already got my eye on. Y'all see over there? See that red light? Cause you know I cook on high. So anyway, but I'm not gonna cook this on high, y'all. I'm just gonna put all the ingredients in, let the butter melt first, and then put everything in. And you know I don't measure, so I'm not even gonna let y'all see me do it. Y'all just know that I'm gonna be putting it in there. At least a tablespoon. I know B-Love does a tablespoon, so it's gonna be that or maybe a little more. We'll see. All right, you guys. Unless y'all want to watch me do it. I don't know. Do y'all want to watch me do it? Well, let me. If y'all want to watch me do it, y'all can watch me. Right now, I have boiled eggs on the eye. Boiling eggs, because we're going to have us a mussel egg boil. So I got that on the eye. And I will go ahead and put this on here. Ooh, don't let my phone fall, y'all. And I will go ahead and put my butter so y'all can actually see me doing it. Y'all want to fast forward it after I put all my ingredients in, that's just fine. But that's what I'm going to do. Y'all hear that sizzle? That sizzle, sizzle. My butter's already in here dancing. We're going to turn that out on like medium heat now. And while that butter's melting, I'm going to go ahead and add in that jalapeno juice. I'm going to add it all in there with my butter while it's melting. Still have some jalapeno pieces in there, but I didn't put any more in there. The cayenne pepper, y'all, right here. Go ahead and douse that in there. Yeah. Red pepper flakes. Put that in there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and do my black pepper, y'all. Turn it down some more. Put it on medium low heat now, cause that's my black pepper in there. Oh yeah. Now my onion powder. Yeah. My lemon powder, not my lemon pepper. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that right here. See this? I'm gonna go ahead and pop that chicken broth in there. Let that dance in the mix. Go ahead and put got some minced onion here, y'all. Instead of cutting up onion, I do the minced onion. Normally I do the slithers of the onions, but I'll just do the onion. And I probably do like 2 tablespoons of that. Oh yeah. Heavy on the onion, you guys. Heavy on the onion. I'm gonna put my garlic powder in here. A couple of these containers are new. Went to the store today to make sure I had my seasonings. Okay, garlic powder in there. And I forget to put pop that cap back on there. And then of course, you gotta put that paprika for color. Yeah, that's where you get that pretty color from. That paprika. Then we're gonna put some of this taco. Some of this taco seasoning in there. We're gonna put some of this minced garlic. Okay. We're gonna put some of this good old Worcestershire sauce in there. A lot of that in there. And then the last thing we're gonna put in there is that sushi ginger. What I am gonna do, this is a new bottle because I used all my other ones. What I am gonna do though, y'all, my eggs will start to boil. Normally I let my heavy boil the eggs. But excuse me, all these seasonings. Normally I let my hubby boil the eggs, but I'm gonna go ahead and boil them now. I'll let him peel them, how about that? So like this, you guys, a scoop of that ginger And I'm just gonna slice it. Just slice this right down the middle of this pound. Okay? And then I'm gonna throw that in the party. And y'all, it's gonna have a party, yeah. Okay? All that. Okay? And then I'm just gonna give it a little bit of this ginger juice. Because you know, what's the purpose of putting that good old pickled ginger in there? You're gonna get in that good old juice. Alright. Then of course, once you use that, you gotta put that back in your refrigerator. But I'm gonna give it a little mixy mix. Let y'all come to the party and see what's in there. Y'all see that? See that right there? And I'm just gonna let it just simmer, and all that goodness, y'all. Let it simmer for about an hour, okay? And then when we come back, we're gonna be eating this good old Belov's rendition sauce. And we're gonna have mussels and boiled eggs. Woo-hoo! See you guys at dinner.